Before any approved applicant can be marked as a lease signed or a completed executed lease, we'll need to audit and edit the future schedule billing. To do so, we'll use our drop-down under our Schedule Billing tab and switch to Future. The rent amount should be exactly what they signed their lease for, whether it be in the office or online. The end date will always default to the 12/31/2099, so we'll have to utilize our blue edit link to go ahead and update this. The end date should always be the last day of the month that they're going to be paying rent. Every charge should also have the Do Not Prorate box checked off. We'll click to save. Also on the schedule billing should be any additional options that this applicant is going to be charged for on a monthly basis. We'll click our New Current to add in that additional option that they signed for, or we can also use our quick link under our Actions column. We'll select the additional option that we'd like to add to their billing and click to save. Again, we need to go ahead and edit this billing to make sure that that Do Not Prorate box is checked off and also that the end date is correct. Once we have that updated, we'll click to save. If this applicant is receiving any concessions or specials, we'll also want to make sure that that is reflected on their future scheduled billing. To add in a concession on the future scheduled billing, we'll click our New Current link. We'll select the concession code. For this example, we'll set up a reoccurring concession. We'll enter in the description of what this applicant is receiving. We'll enter in the amount of the concession. We'll enter in the start date, which should be the lease start date. And since this is a monthly concession and they'll be receiving it throughout their lease term, we'll go ahead and put in their lease end date as that end date. We'll make sure this is set to monthly frequency and that the Do Not Prorate box is checked off. After the concession is entered, we can confirm that all billing is correct with the correct dates, correct frequency, and they are set to Do Not Prorate. For full instructions for entering in the lease concessions, please refer to the lease concession and referrals policy located on the Policy and Procedures portal.